Hi, I thought I would share some ideas about how to search in Canva. There's a few nuances to it that I think could be really helpful for you. When you are getting ready to design something brand new and you land here at the home screen, a few things that are helpful to know. The home is going to search your projects and things. Where you probably really want to go to get started the first time is maybe go on to templates. These are pre-designed things ready to go, ready to work with. If you start from home and you type in proposal, then what you're doing is bringing up your own things. If you go to templates and type in proposal, this is giving you new things that you can use. So that's nice to know. Another thing I would mention from the home screen, if you start with one of these little buttons, it gives you a blank one. If you start with this plus button, it gives you a blank to start. Now there's no problem with that because if you click, let's say, a new presentation and you get a blank, the first thing you can do is start with templates here. And you could type in your business proposal. And you can do your searches from here. And if you find one that you like, you can simply apply it and apply all the pages, and you're off and running. You're ready to work on it. So there's no problem with that either. Start with a blank if you want to. Again, from the home in these circles or with the create button. If you are searching for templates, you want to really narrow it down. So let's say that you come in here and you want a Facebook post plus motivation. I can't type anymore. I've been typing too long today. I only got the ones that are also misspelled. Motivational. There we go. Spelling counts. Okay, so then I find a bunch of templates that fit that particular thing. So the way I did it, it's using not a true Boolean search. It doesn't use and or and those typical Boolean searches. But what you can do is use the plus or the minus. So let's do something else. Let's do Facebook post plus summer. Let's do another one, invitations minus birthday. Now I'm going to look through these. They are not coming up with specific birthday ones. There may be a few sneaking in here, depending how they're listed. But this is giving me other kind of events. Let's do invitation plus bridal. So hopefully that helps. And anytime you want to clear one of these, you just hit the clear there and you're back to your starting point. There are other ways to go about it. You can jump in straight to topics like social media. You can get into categories of social media. Let's go to LinkedIn. Okay. So these will be sized and hopefully most appropriate for that. You're also going to have search areas for the style if you want more professional or simple. Let's try simple. Let's try modern. Okay, so we're getting just different. Again, look for the X to clear the filters and just start over. With many of my classes, I find out what people are doing, what kind of work they do, and I might say safety poster. Okay. I might say safety poster plus fire. So the more you can type into your search, it's looking for tags and keywords. And then also, when you do pick one of the designs, it's going to see kind of what you were interested, and you can scroll down. It's going to have more that are similar to that. So keep shopping until you find the one you want. And lastly, these are made by different creators. So if you really liked somebody's creations, you could go see what else they've done if they have anything in that same vibe, and you can choose to follow them to see more of what they create and put out. Hope that helps. Have a great day.